words of a believer, achiever, leader of the globe, feed the souls of those in need. I bleed the blood of the struggle, walking over troubled puddles. Hustles in my chest, no hustle, no progress. Extremities of life in this process. Birth of a son, death of another. With love I caress both mothers and told them who's in control is the one that's above us. I walk where money talks and love stutters. Body language of a nation, going through changes. The young become dangerous. Pain gets spent into anger. Anger gets sent through the chamber. It's tough when your own look like strangers. We are the sons of gangsters and stone rangers. If he could, how would Ernie Barnes paint us? Look at the picture, hard not to blame us, but time forgives. In the shot where the young die often. Do they end up in a coffin because we haven't talked them? Is it what we talking? We really ain't walking. Dudes, hustlers pay. How much did it cost them? Find myself on the same corner that